Please be invited to a guided letting go meditation. Meditation gives you inner strength, and letting go frees up your hands so you can act with inner strength. Just follow my voice while you are sitting. Simply let my words fall into you like an open valley and fly away like birds. So take a moment to sit, stretch and shake your arms, shoulders, neck, and settle in. I close my eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale into where I am now. Don't worry. My breathing in and out needs no effort or instruction. It will simply accompany me while I'm existing here. I recognize the stillness of my body, totally free of thought or story, just providing a home to consciousness. Don't struggle. My body is attracted by earth, giving me a cradle to rest in. I smiled to the fact that the world doesn't follow my tiny imaginations, but unfolds naturally from its infinite mystery. And so I let go. Don't forget, letting go doesn't mean to let something heavy fall down to the ground. It means to no longer hold on to something so that I can rise up to the sky. I let go of my intentions, because a brief moment of calm, like this one, saves me from long detours of striving. I let go of my grudges against others, because nobody's intending to hurt me. Everyone's just learning to let go of ideas taken too serious. I let go of judgments about myself, because none of it was my conscious working, but came along while I was looking away. I let go of tensions in my body, because serenity is its most beautiful language. I let go of the past because it feels so light to walk without backpack when stepping into what is next. I let go of the future because everything I will find, my experience, is already given. I let go of thoughts because I remain ever unchanging while they never stop to shift and drift away. I let go of my ego because it is just a patched up jacket I wear over a bright jewel. I let go of my suffering because it has successfully shown me the way back to mindful actions. I let go of emotions because I am emotions, consciousness vibrating. May I always know with my heart when to let go or when to let in.